Hi, this video demonstrates how to control an electric door lock using a web relay. Web relay is an electrical relay with a built-in web server. It is controlled remotely by HTTP command, enhancing access control security. This video uses the R28 door phone as an example, covering the connection between the web relay and door lock and the configuration on the door phone's web interface. Let's start with the connection. Please refer to the wiring diagram. We will use a 12-volt power adapter to power the door lock. First, connect the lock's negative cable with the adapter's negative connector. Next, insert the lock's positive cable into the NC terminal of the web relay. Then insert the adapter's positive cable into web relay's C terminal. Insert the terminal block into the web relay. Make sure all connections are firm and secure. Insert Ethernet cables into the door phone and web relay and power on the lock. Before unlocking the lock, we need to configure the action URL and set up a user on the door phone's web interface. Scan the device's IP with the IP scanner tool on the same local network. Enter the IP address in a browser. Enter the username and password for login. The initials are admin. Navigate to Access Control, Web Relay. Set type to only Web Relay. The door phone has its built-in relay that can also be connected to a door lock if you also want to trigger the local relay. Select the both local relay and web relay option. Please note that the local relay will be opened first. Next, enter the web relay's IP address, username, and password. By default, the username is admin and the password is web relay. Please confirm them with the web relay service provider or check the web relay user manual. Then, enter the web relay action URL in the action ID 01 row. The action ID will be used when configuring the access method. The complete format is as shown without username and password entered. Without them filled in, you can use the short version. You can enter the DTMF code in the web relay key field. Then, the door can only be opened via DTMF code and RF card. Otherwise, it can be opened using all the device supporting methods. The code here should be consistent with that on the device's access control relay interface. The web relay extension option designates a specific device to trigger the web relay via DTMF code. Enter the device's IP or SIP number. Then, assign a user the permission to unlock on the directory user interface. Click Add to add a new user. Enter the username. Enter the card code. Or, click Obtain and place the card on the device's card reader to fill in the code automatically. Based on the action ID, set web relay value to 1. Click Submit to save the settings. After configuration, swipe the card. The relay indicator light is on and the lock is unlocked. Thanks for watching.